This is Big Dave, a man built like a deep fryer, round, hot, and full of questionable decisions. He's back with another episode of Davies, the worst food review channel on YouTube, where the meals are suspect, the prices are offensive, and the host hasn't seen his toes since 2009. Today, he's rolled into a place that promises old school charm and maybe a sandwich stacked higher than his blood pressure. We won't name it yet, but trust, it's busy, it's buzzing, and it's about to meet Big Dave's brutally honest appetite.
Hi, bud.
You just coming in?
Yeah, can I just get a takeout order or no?
Yeah, of course.
What are you guys famous for?
Well, we've got roasted turkey here, so our club is really, really good. Pea meal melt is fantastic as well.
Okay, well, the club sounds awesome.
All right, did you want that on white, brown, or rye?
White, please.
Mayonnaise on it?
Please.
Okay. And to go with it, soup, salad, french fries, or onion rings?
Fries with gravy, is that possible?
Well, you can make that happen for you.
Awesome.
Anything to drink?
Yeah, Diet Pepsi's great.
All right, we'll grab you a pop. All right, I'm going to send this in. I'll be right back.
Great, thank you. Awesome.
Sweetheart.
Want me to pay for that now?
You sure can if you want to.
Sure.
All right, $25.37 altogether.
Okay. Hi,
Hi,
how are you?
I am good. How are you doing?
I'm good, thank you.
Good. Okay,
Awesome. All set.
we are. Okay, there you go. You enjoy that.
Perfect. I'm looking very forward to it. What's your name?
Soup.
I'll give you here. There's a sticker and there's a duck with my head on it for you.
Oh, okay, cool.
Take care, dear.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You as well.
How we doing, pup? You okay? Are you good? Yeah. Good pup. Okay, Big Dave, how's this lighting here? I feel it's... Let me try putting this over. That... I'm not sure the lighting's great, but it's going to be what it is, I guess, here. It's the middle of the day. It's noon. It's lunchtime. And we're at the Skyview Cafe Restaurant. It's right on a little airport here in Wyoming. And that's Wyoming, Ontario, not, that place in the other country. Yeah, very, very cool. Susie owns the place. She's had it about 9 years. She got it when she was 61 years old. She's 70, and this place is hopping. Everyone seems to know everyone when they come in here. They sold me on this sandwich, well, because it has roasted turkey that they roast in the house. Let's check it out. All right, so here it is. I got the clubhouse. This was on the recommendation of, the person that took my order. They said they roast their own turkey. So, hey, that sold me. We got fries with it. We also got gravy, but, okay, we don't even have to try them to know they are not fresh fried. They're a frozen fry, but they're the coated ones. Lucinda will love them. She loves this crap, this stuff. She loves these kind of fries. Seasoned, cooked properly. They're fine. Let's try out the gravy, though. All right, so the gravy, it doesn't look super thick. They certainly give you lots. Not bad. From a mix. Could be a little thicker, in my estimation. Should coat the back of a spoon, and I don't think that will. It's good. The flavor's good. Let's try out this sandwich. Okay, look at the turkey on here. Now, this wasn't cheap at 17 and change, but that's a whack of turkey. I just tried the bacon. It's fine. I'm going to say it's a butcher bacon, like something they're buying in a 5-pound box, but from an actual butcher, maybe a 10-pound box. The box is a butcher's bacon. The tomatoes look like a local, fresh, ripe tomato. Don't look like something that came on a train from Mexico. Let's take a bite. Oh, that's a ton of fresh roasted turkey. The bacon's good. The tomatoes, everything's good. Maybe a little more mayonnaise, only because of the amount of turkey that's on there. That is a ton of turkey. This is a good club. Now, included in that price, I did get a pop. So the gravy and the pop were, $5+ between them. I don't think the pop was cheap at $2.75, but sometimes you got to pay a premium when you're getting these cans, I guess. To me, what really gets it about this place is not only the great food, but it's the charm. Everyone knows you. Everybody, everyone's your friend when you go in there. It's the friendliest place you'll probably ever go. It was completely awesome in that respect. And the food was great too. Fresh cut fries, sure, they might have made it better. But I certainly would come back here again. Is this a place you'd go? Let us know. Hit the like button, comment below, subscribe, share, look for us next time. I'm Big Dave, and this is Dave Eats. Big Dave!